Alright guys, so today we are turning dreams into reality. We're gonna get this nice little Sixth Order right here built up for our boy Nick. Just a little 2-to-1 action, you know, for these U's right here. I believe they are UV1s. Yes, most definitely V1s. But yeah, let's get it. Alright, so as you can see, we just got all of our pieces cut for this little mini Sixth Order that we're building for 2 Sundown U 12s. Yeah. Baffle, double baffle, front, back, bottom, top, and the sides. We gotta cut a port, but these are the main pieces. We'll cut the rest in a second. But the most important pieces are brace. Always make sure you brace your box. I don't care how little or big, just make sure you brace your box, okay? Alright guys, so we've come to the point where we have to cut some sub holes. We're going to use our nice little Jasper jig. I've had this thing for ever, probably about 7 years, and it has never failed me. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we got our holes cut for our subs, and now we're going to cut, well, we already cut it, but we're going to match our hole for the port, the low end port, which is going to be tuned to like 30 hertz. And we're going to use our hefty Triton router. This thing is heavy. But yeah. All right, now that we got that done, we're going to get this thing in here. Try to get it glued together and possibly have it painted on the inside today. Get the top on tomorrow. Let's go. so as you can see, we just got our baffle done and our port attached, and this thing is stout. I don't think it's going anywhere. So we're gonna get this inside the box and glued up and screwed and continue on. Alright, so yeah, it's starting to look like a Sixth Order. But I'm gonna take a break and come back to it. Alright, so we got a whole bunch of bracing in here. Decided to go with the ribs to save some space, but it is stout. Yeah, I'm gonna get the top on and get it painted on the inside. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so you know, we're bass heads, so we had to do some type of testing to see what this box sounded like. I created a little speaker and we shoved it in here. So yeah, I just wanted you to hear how loud that was. I don't know how that's gonna translate out into my phone, but that's about 40 watts and I can feel it in my chest sitting in the garage. So think about that and we'll be back. Alright, so now comes the fun part. We're going to test fit the subs into the box and see what it sounds like a little bit. It's very patient. But yeah, 2 Sundown U's and a 2-to-1 Sixth Order in a Suburban in the C-pillar. Alright, so we got it in there, got it playing. We're gonna leave it in for a little while so he can play with it and come back and get it painted. But yeah, here it is.
That shit was crazy. When you close that back hatch like that, I thought it wasn't even on until he fucking closed that shit, and then I turned it up. I was like, oh my god.
That's wild. So yeah, it's decently loud. We're probably gonna have to put some more power on it.
Definitely needs more power, but for what it is right now, that dude.
Till next time.